Uh, Already a new person is coming on into our meeting. There's a student. Hello, Andran. Are you? Can you hear me properly? You have to unmute if you want to talk.
Is it only us? Like, didn't anyone join yet?
You are the first person to join. Yes. So
I
so
thought everyone was gossiping right now.
yeah, I just started. It is only 10:30, so it is the time to join. And you are the third, actually the third different persons, the third person who joined into our meeting. So we can start the session. It is time. So it's the name is Unron, or what should I call you?
Uh, Raisa,
Raisa. Okay, Raisa. Raisa, how are you?
fine, thanks.
Thanks.
I have a question. Like yesterday, how many people joined? Like, I
Yesterday,
didn't join.
yeah, the yesterday one people joined actually, and before,
One.
yeah, and before that two people.
I thought maybe it would be 50 plus or something.
No, but what do you think? People will sign up, but they will never join. And if you see my other videos recording, I share the recording every day. So I actually was prepared for, because no one will show up. Even today, I thought no one will show up, and if it doesn't show up, it doesn't bother me. At least I was prepared. If no one would show up, then I will talk about for 1 hour about my own life,
Crazy, bro.
what
Like
book I
people
am reading.
really sign up. Sorry for cutting you,
No, no, no,
but
go on, go on.
people literally sign up 20 many thousand takas, okay,
Yeah.
just for English courses. Recently I have seen advertising where people just move in into hostels because they want to speak in day-to-day life practice,
Oh,
and
okay.
they want to, okay, pay upfront maybe 1 lakh or something. Even my mother was recommending it. I was crazy. I was like, give me 1 lakh and I will speak English all day.
Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. It's actually not that. It's actually very normal for me, because even though I signed up for many workshop or in courses, but even though I didn't join them on time, it's actually okay. Sometimes it's about the work, or we get busy at work, or sometimes we are just scrolling the Facebook, but we will not join because we are
Maybe
shy.
it's because this, like, your offer didn't reach the people who'd be interested, like, I'm interested is because I have time, and maybe some people are interested but they didn't got your offer or didn't know that there will be something like this.
Yeah, it's a probably, you are probably right. Ri- Maybe in my WhatsApp channel, you are on the WhatsApp channel, right? You are the WhatsApp channel that we are we are currently running.
Yeah, yeah, I've joined it.
Yeah, so in the WhatsApp channel there are more than 60 people, and only 13 or 14 people registered through my form, and only till now you are the third person who showed up. So it's actually pretty normal, and I don't mind whatever people join. Whenever they come, they can join. uh,
Maybe they want to, or I just, I mean, interested in psychology, so I think that many people want to, but they like hoping you'd encourage, like, push them. But it's not like that. You gotta, like, specifically say that because you guys have registered, you gotta put effort, otherwise it's useless. You
yeah.
can just give a post like that, so they are interested, but I don't know.
Yeah, I am actually posting a lot, whatever I can do, but you have to understand this is not a paid course, right? So it's not my burden. It's just an offer 1 hour session. We will talk about whatever comes into our mind, and we can join anytime in that in this 1 hour and then talk about. So I don't have any burden, the financial burden that yeah,
Mm,
they didn't give me any money, so they are not committed to this kind of things, right? So whoever they come, they can join. And even if I can post, I can go to people and request them why you registered and why didn't you join the
no, no,
meeting. But
no. Okay, okay.
it
I didn't mean it like that. No,
yeah,
no,
of course.
like that.
Jubair bhai is here. Another person joined. So Jubair bhai, uh,
Sorry, brother, I'm late.
don't worry, don't worry. You can join anytime. So we have a new person into our meeting today. Uh, Here is Raisa, right? I didn't.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Raisa, and we were talking about, and she just wanted to know why and not enough people joined this kind of meeting or not. We were talking about it. So Raisa, Jubair bhai is constantly joining in a third row today. So he has joined every session until now, and he is a
Uh,
programmer.
Whoa, programmer like this. Okay, I'm so curious. I'm curious about him now.
Okay, okay, we will talk about it. Don't worry. But let me first go the introduction period of this whole session, because it is mandatory, because you joined us today and you are new in this meeting. So let me a short introduction. I am Shemanto, and I am currently I'm also a programmer. I graduated from Kuwait 1.5 year ago, and then I joined a software firm, worked there for 1.5 hour a half year, and during that time I worked with all international clients and everything, and my English was that it was enough good. So right now I am on a career break. I'm helping my father with my family business. So I had some spare time, so I started this kind of stuff, because I wanted to create YouTube videos, but I was not getting time, or I was not really feeling motivated. So I thought, why not people can join this kind of thing, and we can talk about random stuff. It will help them today. And the rules is, you can see my screen. In that screen you can see the rules. Remember, you don't have to follow any grammar rule or anything. Whatever comes into your mind, just say it. Okay? And no one will judge you. And we also request, please don't judge other, because we don't know you personally, right? So everything everything here is just in perspective of other, so don't judge anyone. And before saying, please listen carefully what we are saying, what other people are saying, and encourage others. And the only and the for must rule that you have to follow, that you have to speak in English, one person speak at a time, respect other opinion. And if you don't want to talk about anything, just say no, and say that I don't want to talk about it, and we will pass it, we will not talk about it anytime. And relax and feel the conversation. So that's it. And I'm not an English teacher also, so to please don't judge me or anything. Even I can make mistake. Just enjoy the conversation. So confidence first, grammar later. This is our
You're
motto.
too humble. Like you're speaking quite good. If you even pick English teacher, it would go well. Okay.
No, no.
I'm just
If
kidding, you're humble.
even if English teacher joins, he will find tons of grammatical mistakes in my speaking. Also,
Yeah.
it's not. I'm not a teacher, and I didn't study English in anything. So, I'm just trying to encourage others. And the whole point of this kind of video or session is that I believe that the problem with Bangladeshi to speak English, that it is not the grammar problem, it is the confidence problem. People feel lack of confidence of saying words. So I am recording this kind of session is not that we are not only speaking ourselves. I want to show that others, that yes, this person, they are Bangladeshi and they can speak too, and maybe I can join in this kind of meeting, and I can just saying too. So that's the whole thing. uh, okay, Raisa, I am talking too much, but the floor is actually for yours. Let's start from right now. You want to introduce yourself? What are you doing, and what are you into, or maybe some interesting facts that we can talk about? Yeah.
Yeah, but first of all, like I would like to listen about the other person, Jobar Bhai.
Okay. Okay.
He isn't speaking.
I think another person has joined. It's a Doom. I think Dr. Doom is here. Hello, Dr. Doom.
Boom.
You have to unmute and talk.
Okay.
I think he left. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, let people come. Let him come anytime. Don't worry. Jubar bhai, do you like to introduce yourself again to our new friend Raisa?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, I'm Jubair and I have completed my bachelor from United International University in Computer Science and Engineering. I worked a software firm named Solution Hub Technology almost 1 year, and I'm also a career break and I'm improving myself and try to improve my communication and problem solving, and as well as I also actively looking job. And it's a short introduction for me. Thank you.
Okay, now everyone is a programmer. What am I doing here? I should move.
It's just a profession also, don't worry. We are programmer but we are unemployed. Okay, so Jubair bhai and me were both in our home. We don't have any job, so you have to feel proud that we didn't go into this kind of job, side of job. If you were also a programmer, you must be unemployed in that at this time, so you are safe.
Okay,
Okay.
I want to add some one thing.
Yeah.
uh, Nowadays in current world everyone should know the programming,
Yeah.
if you believe or not, because programming in everywhere.
So yeah,
If you
so
have knowledge of programming, your life will be easy. If you work on Excel or uh, this kind of tools or sheet.
it's actually Jubar bhai, it's actually I don't I agree. Yes, people from the childhood or in the primary session we can introduce programming, but uh, at this stage I can say that even if you don't know programming, your life will be not that difficult. I think the arts and other people, they also do their job pretty well, so if they don't do programming, nothing will change. What you say, what about you, Raisa? What are you doing? And please, you can say about yourself or anything, whatever you like.
Programming, like most of them are money. Sorry.
Yeah, go on.
Most of the people are vibe coders right now. Like they have a interest, like a surge of interest. My friends, they are learning vibe coders, and someone I know, uh, he just asked, okay, like, do you know coding? Because we are working on a project, but I just graduated. I just HSC passed, so I don't know anything about okay coding or something. Like HTML is the basic work. We just do it on papers, not even in computers. Okay, so no, I said nah, brother. I don't do any stuff. I even forgot HTML. So he just promoted a course then and there, a YouTube link. Focus on this and learn it and give it a review. Okay, I'm gonna check on you in 3 days. You gotta totally understand whatever it is written, okay, bro. And then after I said that HTML, okay, it's easy, I understand that, okay. And then he suggested another video that was about CSS or something,
Okay. Yeah.
coding
Yeah,
program.
yeah.
I
Cascading
didn't
style sheet.
even watch it.
Yeah.
I said, bro, you're gonna do HSC 2 days later, and what are you doing right now? Like, yeah, he said, I'm not into my, like, I didn't started the project yet, but I'm just guiding you. We didn't start anything yet.
Okay.
I'm like, bro, I wouldn't even touch my phone if my HSC was due in 2 days. And that's what's going on. Like, most of them are vibe coders, but I guess vibe coding isn't bad if you know the like structure, because you gotta be a programmer. You gotta know the course, otherwise it's not gonna end well.
Yeah, that's correct. But the problem is the HTML and CSS, they are not programming languages at all. You are why? HTML and CSS, is it a programming language?
Uh, Actually, most of the fresher are nowhere. They know it's a programming language, but actually not.
Yeah, actually, actually, Raisa, the HTML and CSS, they are just an structured way of representing something. So they are not programming languages.
What do you guys do in program?
Okay, those are languages, but not programming
No,
language.
no, no, no.
The
Yeah,
markup
they
language
are markup
or
languages. So
Markup.
yeah, markup language is something like that. You just say that this component or this thing will stay here and it will be there. So you are giving some structure. It is actually declaring a structure how it will look like. Okay, so and the programming languages are some logical thinking, so you would add some logic, extra logic and other things. So this will be called a programming language, like C++, C, Python, JavaScript. These are,
Those are more tough. Like they are brain wreckers. I've seen some
yeah,
videos.
they are the proper programming languages. So and that's the thing. Okay. Okay, Alexa. I think you that's for sure that you don't have any idea about programming. That's okay. Okay. Anything you want to add or you want to say about yourself or anything? That is completely fine. If you want to add or anything, you want to talk about.
Like, should I give introduction? Do I? I've already said, like, I'm preparing for admission. You know, there's this admission test in 7th July, and I should be studying right now, but I don't want to study right now, so I'm passing my time right now.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, yeah. I think I use fill up it in the form, like, but it's actually private to me. I don't see it everly. So this is an overview of everything. Yeah, this is an public meeting. So most probably Jubair Bhai will not know what you are doing. So you are an admission candidate right now. So have you have already done some or joined some admission test? Have you done,
Have I given in
attended?
admission test?
So
Nah, yeah, I've given some tests, but that was like it's more of a family story. Like something happened. Like I have given a test and I passed that test, but my mother said, "You, I'm not gonna get you admitted in that university or something."
oh,
So then tell me, why did I give the exam? Okay, first of all, I prepared for the exam, I gave the exam, I got the result, but then she says that she's not gonna admit me in that university. Okay, fine.
mhm,
Then we move on, and then I applied to another one,
yeah,
and another one got me results, but it was not my, like, the subject wasn't my favorite one. I didn't want to get into that, so even that I didn't admit it. So this time I gotta give the exam, and I don't even know which subject to choose. Like most of the families, they wanna get their child into a government university.
yeah,
So first of
public.
all, give all the government exams. Then, if you don't, and if you have the money to support you, you will get into a private one. So I'm hoping they will get me into a private one. Like at this time, I'm even confused like what subject to choose. So it's better that both of you are programmers. So what subject did you guys choose?
Uh, yeah, Jubair Bhai, you want to go first?
you can go first.
Uh, I actually didn't choose anything. The subject came into me. I studied into Kuwait. So the subject I got, actually I'm not from a CSC background. I studied in energy science and engineering. So I studied it is an into the mechanical faculty. So the study was about the power plant, all kind of power plants, solar power plant, nuclear power plant, and normal electricity power plant, this kind of stuff. And it is a mixed subject, energy science and engineering. It's totally new, and in Bangladesh, in undergraduate level, there is only one university that offer this energy science and engineering. That is Kuwait, Khulna University of Engineering Technology. And I just got it. And I got admitted because I didn't have any knowledge about or any choice back then. I wanted to study in CSC, but I did got in other universities like Science and Technology University. but I wanted to study into an engineering university, so I didn't want to miss the chance. So I was admitted, but when I got admitted, I found that I didn't like the subject at all. It doesn't interest me. So I did also all kind of things, like I participated into business competition, robotics competition, this kind of stuff. And through all this, I learned machine learning, data science, web development, and all are this all I learned, the programming and everything I learned, or everything is by myself. It was self study. And and then I got the job before before even my university courses and exam was over. So I got the job and I just came into Dhaka for do the job. That's my story actually. Jubar bhai.
Yeah, that's a nice story. And my story is from my childhood. I want to be computer science or software engineer. Uh, After completed my HSC, I admitted and Udbhash for engineering coaching. Uh, when I coaching in Udbhash, I say I am not good, or I am not good student. That's why I will not get chance in public university in CSE. That's why I quit this coaching. That I admitted into a private university. That's it.
So Jubair bhai wanted to be a software engineer from everything. Okay, both of you wanted to be engineers.
I actually like, yes, I wanted to be an engineer from the first place because I
In
did
computer.
no no no, because if I say right now, I didn't had any experience of. I like the name computer engineering, computer science and engineering,
Post
electrical
coding.
engineering. But to be honest, no one of us when we were at your stage, and even if you doesn't have any enough knowledge of the career field or anything. So if you are saying that I like computer programming, I like electrical engineering, you are actually loving the name, and everyone is following for the name, and so you are just following the everyone. So that's it. But you don't have any if you really have the passion, you will find out when you are actually studying in that subject. Okay, so when you are going through the each semester at reading the through, you will find out what actually you love. So university life is actually pretty different, because when you got in when you will be admitted into university, you will not just study and study into your subject. You will go to clubs. There will be different clubs, robotics club, business clubs and everything, and you will find that you don't like engineering or anything, like you just like to do management type of work. Then you will find that you don't like to study into anything, you want to manage something, or you will do, you will like to, then you will be thinking, why I am studying this subject, I should be admitted into BBA. So it's actually very common into Bangladesh. You will find out very soon. Don't worry.
I feel like I don't have much time. Like most of my friends are already admitted and they are already giving out tests. So I'm feeling so confused right now. Like I gotta look out. Okay, my parents are not even worried about, like, they know I'm gonna figure out something and just ask them for money and then admit myself or something. But like they are worryless and they are just putting me in the spot, and I don't know, like I see that they trust me this much and I gotta do something good and it's a pressure. Like what do I do?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm asking a question. Does CSC program in university, like, do they work on projects or subjects that later are useful in Bangladesh? Like, Bangladesh universities don't do that much projects, but I don't know. You guys share experience?
I'm actually not qualified to answer that because I didn't study into CSC. Jubair bhai, you are an CSC graduate. You have to answer that.
My philosophy is Nowadays, if you want to software engineer, don't need CSC program. Without CSC program, you can be a software engineer, if you believe or not. But if you want to lecturer or researcher, or if you have a plan to going abroad for getting scholarship, or mm, actually research based, then if you need to join or admit in the CSC program. Otherwise, it is useless.
True.
Okay, on the subject, I want to say that I've heard that for bachelors it is more easy to apply for scholarship because the rates are high that you might get accepted in abroad in scholarship, but in masters it becomes tough and tough. Is that so?
I can answer that. Actually, for you can, if you are doing for applying for bachelor, you will get, you will not get that kind of a scholarship or anything. You can manage it through the ACC level, but you will not get the chance of research or anything because you didn't study it yet, right? So in the master's level, it is actually normal. You will do research kind of work. So in the master's level, if you want to pass the master's degree, must have to pass through an research based work in the last semester, and there is a project or kind of work. So if you want to go abroad, my suggestion, it is completely my personal opinion, that you should go for the master's level because you are still young, and if you go through the bachelor level, the costing will be high. You are still an young person, you doesn't have any real world experience, how to talk with people, how to manage the money, time and everything. And if you go there, yes, the naturalization with the other nationalities, it will be easy in the bachelor if you go to bachelor level, but I think it will be best if you could go to on master's level, because if whatever subject you study on university in bachelor, you will find that you will not, you are liking it or not, you will choose the your destination, because you are confused to choose the department right now. But the actual question is what you want to be in your life or career. Do you want to be a lecturer? Do you want to be an actually a programmer or software engineer? Do you want to be a researcher? What is the career path? And everything in this path, you can do any subject, but the goal is different and the path is different. So if you want to be a researcher, then your CGPA or anything, that actually matters, but that not much. The most matter is that how many research paper have you published in your bachelor life. And if you want to be a lecturer or teacher into university, then your CGPA must be top high in your department. So the department and if you want to be an engineer or you want to actually work into industry, then CGPA doesn't care, but it doesn't matter at all. The most matter is your skill, your presentation skill, your the work specific skill, whatever they want, what they are demanding. So this completely come from the bachelor level. So that's it. I know there's an actually an overview or big things, but first of all, you don't have to think overthink thinking about all this stuff. Just go into a department or university or whatever you can afford or whatever you like, because reading into actually admitted into CSC doesn't actually it is a good thing, because more and also bad thing. The good thing is that you know the this path is vast and there are all there's already a job market open, and you can go to any direction after bachelor in the master's level. But the bad thing is this is saturated. Already many people are joining and AI is interrupting the whole market and everything. So that's it. That's the actual whole point. But the real question is, do you have any specific interest or anything you mind already or not?
Like I said, I'm confused, but like sometimes I think it's better to be just a normal teacher. Like teachers got so many vacations in BD. You can see the summer vacations, winter vacations. But on the second, in a serious tone, like I have an interest. Okay, like it's not I don't, but I haven't tried coding or something yet. But when I see kids my age, they are already doing great things. Like, what are they even doing? I don't understand half of it. Like, bro, you're just 28. Why are you doing so many tough jobs and something? They're coding, they're doing projects. I don't even understand half of them. But most of them are doing like through AI or stuff like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
true.
And like that, I don't know anything about coding, so I thought maybe CSC gets you to understand, like you gotta do some stuff on computer. So I have an interest in that, but I don't know, I haven't tried anything yet, so I'm confused.
So, if you admitted to CSC, it doesn't mean that you have to do program or do software engineering stuff from the beginning. You can also skip those. So you can also be a researcher into any field. So then you don't have to be program or write code into anything. Even even into in software company, they doesn't only need a programmer. They also need salesperson, they also need marketing person, they also need project manager. And if you already from a CSC background, then you know the environment, so you will be also able to work as a project manager, salesperson, or anything like that. So
Okay.
there's actually have a multiple option. What you say, Jubar bhai, isn't it correct?
Yeah, it's correct. It's a variation career path.
Yeah.
But nowadays, everyone is uh, what I say, suffering,
Suffering.
suffering
I think the
because
programmers are suffering a
pressure.
lot.
Yes,
Because of
because
AI.
the
Yeah, through
fresher
the
or
AI.
entry level job are not posting so
Yeah,
much, or
yeah, yeah.
company is not hiring entry level. That's why everyone is suffering, and there's problem. I think it will be okay. Some Shemanto bhai, as
Yeah.
in LinkedIn, many seniors to uh, write blog or tell,
Mm-hmm.
yes, write post that if you junior not enter the organization or company, how
Mm.
will be produce the senior or mid level?
Yeah,
It's a valid question,
yeah, yeah.
but we are facing a problem. Still, junior is not hiring.
Yeah. Actually, Raisa, I have an WhatsApp channel that has more than 800 followers, and it is a tech job for the tech job. Jubair bhai also in it. So I also share the tech job like software programming or this kind of job from the LinkedIn and share those into my that WhatsApp channel every day. So I have been posting there for about more than 2 months, and the problem we are facing that there are lacks of junior level role. There are people already companies hiring only the mid level or senior level engineers. So programming as a programmer, you programming if you choose to do programming, you will definitely face problem in future, because already we are facing problem as a programmer. But doesn't mean that you don't have to study into CSC for that, because I already have told you the programming is not only a career path. Okay, so we also need marketers. Let me give you an example. I am not from CSC background, but my into my Kuwait, my university, my friend Nafis, he was from CSC background, and he never do programming that good. He was always management level of work. This kind of, he was the president of our business and entrepreneurship club. I was also in that club, and when he came out, he first job he got was an business analyst or this kind of job. So it is an mid-level technical role. The more business analyst work is not that much of technical, but most of the management kind of thing. So the whole management or everything. So he got the job, first job as a technical management of this kind of work. And recently, just 2 days ago, he joined Kite Studio. Kite Studio is actually a big company into Bangladesh. They produce their own software, so it's actually a good company as a project manager. Okay, so he is not doing any programming. He came from a CSC background. He doesn't have any that much of programming knowledge, or he doesn't have any interest in that. His main power is he's actually a good looking person. His English is good. He's so, and also he's speaking, if he starts speaking, he is much better, not like me. I know my voice is not that good. So he's actually a good person, and good in that field. So he is focusing on management level of work, and he's doing good, nothing wrong. And one of my friend, he got into USA as a research engineer before our whole semester was ended. So he's and that friend, his name was Ryan's. So Ryan got into USA before our even our whole exam was over. So he doesn't do any programming or anything. He is a totally a researcher. He into our in our university life, he never went into any club or anything. He just focuses on research. He published really good machine learning or deep learning research paper, robotics related research paper into university 2 or 3. Worked with our teachers or faculties, and before our whole exam was over, the fourth semester exam was over, he got chance into an university, a really good in USA university. So he is in America right now as a researcher. So that is also a career path option. So you just said that we are programmer, but I am from non-CSE background. Still, I get an opportunity as a work as a software engineer. Jubair bhai, he is from CSE background, and then he wanted to work into industry, and he is working in the industry right now as a programmer. My friend, he is from CSE background, but he is working as a project manager. Another friend, he is from CSE background, but he work as a researcher. He's got into abroad and doing research on robotics and AI. So you see that everyone has a different career path. So department is not that will hinder your path or everything.
Okay, thanks for clearing so many questions. Now I have even more questions to ask.
Yeah,
Like, for example,
yeah.
your friend that did the research paper, like I don't even know what a research paper looks like. Like my mother did a research paper. She was actually a student of Dhaka University sociology department, but because well, I saw her paper, but it was all gibberish. I couldn't understand what it was. I saw that years ago. So basically, are the research papers online published or are they offline published?
uh, they are published by an they are actually research journals. There is a term called research journals, and journals can be they have also ranking. So the top research journals are like Nature's. They are the topmost, like 0.01% of the world. Scientists publish on research journal, and the research they are publishing, there's are groundbreaking. There something like that. This kind of research output will change the world. This kind of things comes into Nature. Then comes some other research journals. They are not that good, and other things that come into, they are just uh, predatory. The word is predatory research journals. Predatory journals are, they, if you give them money, they will just publish it your paper, but the paper is not that good. So there is a whole community, or if you just start learning research related work, this whole ecosystem has a different thing. So it will be a good length, and also I'm not qualified for that. I know because I studied at university, and we do must have a research paper or it published into my university life. So I know that kind of stuff. But actually it is not actually not worth it if I tell you, teach you this kind of stuff right now, because you are only into a level where you must focus only on university, getting into an university. Because that's why I said earlier that you don't have any idea about the whole world or ecosystem right now. So that's why I told you, don't to go into abroad into your bachelor level. You must actually face this kind of stuff, and You will only learn this if you got into an university or into a bachelor. Then you can decide what to do and everything into your master's level. Okay, Raisa?
Yeah. Like I had the thought that bachelor for going abroad for bachelors is way too early. Even I had the thought, but like there are many people who went abroad. Like there's some influencers. I don't know. I don't remember the names, but they are suggesting like it's easy for you to get scholarship if you apply beforehand. Like for bachelors, it's easier because they have tried and they went, so they know stuff like that. So I thought that maybe going for bachelors and getting scholarship is easy. For that stuff only, I thought that getting a bachelor's I should try or know about it. So, but time is like
Right.
going on, and I don't have enough time to
Yeah.
know. And I
Yeah, I
wouldn't have.
understand.
Yeah, yeah.
Go on, go on.
Like for that sole reason that they get a higher chance to go abroad and apply for scholarship. Listen, the scholarship term is important in my case because I don't want to spend that much of my parents money on this. It's not like they are not willing, but it's more of like I don't want to spend of that,
Yeah.
and I don't want to. Yeah, I want to go in my like I'm forgetting words right now. So
Don't
that's
worry.
it because of
Don't worry. Relax and just
influencers
say
and
whatever.
seniors are suggesting that. So, and I thought that it's easier, and that's why I said. But for masters, it gets tougher. I heard it's way more tough to go outside
No, no.
in scholarship. In regard of scholarship, yeah.
No, no, no. It's actually not right. Even you will get more offer into a masters, because when you are applying into a masters, you already, if you are targeting abroad, most of the people, my friend, my seniors, everyone, I'm saying this because I have already gone through this phase, right? You have not gone through this. I have this confidence because I have seen many of my seniors have already gone to abroad, Malaysia, USA, Canada, Russia, and many countries. So it is easier to get scholarship if you are going for a master's program, because you already when you are let me say clarify why I'm saying that. The scholarship you get, actually there can be a different kind of scholarship. Like, if the China is providing the China government scholarship, if they are providing the scholarship only for bachelor student, then you will get it. Okay, no problem, because it's only allocated for the bachelor level. Okay,
Hmm. Yeah.
but okay, now if you go for the master's level, they actually, you don't for look for any scholarship or anything directly. You will look for teachers or researcher, supervisor, they are working on some research project or anything, and email them said that, sir, I saw your profile, you are working this field research, and I also want to work in this kind of field, and I have already in my bachelor level, I have already published a research paper that is related to this subject, that is related to your interest or related to your work. I want to study into your university, and if there is any scholarship available, or you can manage any fund for me. And most of the researcher that working abroad, there is an opening for research level of work. So if they can manage the fund, the teachers of that university or department, they try to collect a fund for the research work, and when you get admitted into that university or that particular subject, you will get that fund for the scholarship. So that's the how everything works. And yes, you will get some that doesn't mean that you will not get scholarship into bachelor level. Yes, you will get, but these are the actually actually government scholarship or any particular university scholarship for the bachelor level they are offering. And for that, you have to look up and search for that if they allow it or not. But you don't have any you have to show you have to follow their requirement or whatever they are asking. But you just finish the HEC level, right? So you don't have enough enough things into your CV or into your portfolio. But if you finish the bachelor, you can show research work, you can show you have the domain knowledge of any department, you can show you have do some presentation clubbing or this kind of work, so you will get more chance. Okay, so if I don't want to yes, I understand you have some time limit, but if you really want to go abroad, then you have to first try to look up. Okay, so go to the government university, Bangladesh government, they also post the scholarship or other government other available bachelor scholarship. So look into that and try it. That's it.
Okay, thanks for all of that. But is the third person not available? Is he alive yet?
Jubair bhai.
Hi.
Yeah, I am alive. I am just listening
Yeah, Jubaiba is
uh,
actually listening
to
because
you.
he actually
Actually,
joined 2 days.
I have not enough knowledge about the scholarship or research paper like this.
Okay.
That's why I did not interrupt anyone.
Okay, we have 15 minutes left. Don't worry, we have talked a lot. Jubair bhai, if you want to add, or Raisa, if you want to add something or anything, we have 15 minutes left. You will get 5 minutes of each. So say anything you want to like or anything to add, just add it. So don't worry, we have 15 minutes.
Okay, so today most of the time I just took it for myself. Sorry,
No, no,
Jivar
no,
couldn't
but
say
we have
anything.
no, no. It's okay. It's actually okay because I don't think Jubair bhai will mind. Jubair bhai, we,
Yeah.
yeah, uh, it's actually a proper thing. You can join every day. We are arranging this kind of session every day. Jubair bhai has joined third, this is his third day, he joined every day. So we talked a lot. If even you saw the YouTube videos, 2 days only Jubair bhai and I am talking. So
You're uploading it in YouTube?
yeah, you can follow this.
Okay, what I see it, my voice is gonna be so weird.
No,
I'm gonna feel so second and embarrassment.
that's why actually we are recording and everything. Read what I have write in the slide. Confidence first, grammar later. So you have to have the confidence. Okay, even my voice is bad, but doesn't mean I will not say anything, right? You have to have your confidence into yourself. Even if if you look or anything, you are not pretty that much or anything, doesn't matter. You must have the confidence. I think the problem with Bangladeshi and everything, it is not actually grammar problem or anything like that. The problem is the confidence problem. So that's what I want to break. That's why this whole thing.
If we're uploading everything on YouTube, I gotta be like, I can't ask many questions now.
No, no, but why? Why are you shy? Being shy? Or you does it? Nobody cares. Okay, if
Like
you
most of the questions I ask to people around me, they often say you are like asking way too much, and it's almost like controversial questions. It can be too much controversial.
who will say, and who they do you know them? Do you know them? Who will say?
I talk with like some people, and most of my friends say the topic you discuss are not general. Like they are they are not something to discuss on a cup of tea. Okay,
Mhm.
there are other topics to discuss in a serious way in other place, but you discuss way too much controversial
It doesn't
things.
matter, Raisa. It doesn't actually matter if you are an actually much younger than us. And from my personal experience of life, I have gone through the university, and in the university I didn't study at all. Okay, so I actually joined bunch of clubs. I have done club. I had my own business. I run my own business. I joined into a politics. I run for the whole. I manage the whole everything. So typical university life, public university. So I have gone through so many people, and I have so many experience. And the one thing I can share for that, nobody cares in this world before you. Okay, the only people actually care about you is your parents, no one else. Okay, so don't fall for friends and everything, because now you are, or now why you are so, the people you are saying friends and everything, when you get into in university and work there, you will see that it doesn't matter, and some many of them will be not there for you when they need you. So don't care about yourself, say whatever you like. Okay, have the confidence, and I also have confidence that you will go into a good university and you will do good in your life, you will shine into your life, so don't worry. You have time.
Okay, so you mentioned you did politics. Okay, so should we discuss about politics stuff or not
Anything,
that part?
if
That
anything,
part
I
where we in MP or what?
anything you can talk about, but we have only 11 minutes left. This is totally unfiltered. Okay, I don't care what people thinks. That's why I was actually trying to make YouTube videos, but I was getting what people will say, what people will think, what if the lighting is not that good, everything. And that's how it took 4 years of me to start this kind of stuff. Actually, if you go to my YouTube channel and see how it, the I started the YouTube channel more than it was almost 6 years ago. I was trying to do YouTube videos since then, but I couldn't do because I was trying to perfect English and thinking about what people others will say. I don't care about what other people say. I just want to an unfiltered video recording. If you want to talk about politics, you can go on, you can start it.
Okay, okay. Another question was like the research paper you mentioned that your friend published. Okay,
Yeah.
in AI. So what I asked was, are they on online? Like, could I watch them or something? Could I see what they wrote,
Yeah,
or are they not on online?
I don't remember the title. You can always go to Google and search for civil. There are actually lakhs and lakhs of research paper, and even if I show you, you will not understand, because research paper has certain structure that you will not understand, like you have to abstract and anything like that. You can search for it, anything you can search for if you want to read a research paper on machine learning, on data science or computer science, you just go to Google and search for I want to read a research paper, and many research paper will come up. It's a PDF format, download it and read the PDF. That's it.
Uh, I think like I didn't get through it. I said like the research paper by through your friends got scholarship. Okay, what the
I don't.
quality of the papers they
Yeah.
wrote and where they published in what publication
Actually, I
and
don't know. I don't know. That's why I said I don't know. I don't have the name yet. I can get the name, but it will get time. It will require some time.
oh, okay, okay.
Correct.
Jubair bhai, you can say something. I'm finished for today.
We have 8 minutes left. Jubair bhai, it is your final chance if you want to add something.
Actually, I did not understand everything. Well, I understand, but I did not understand what will I say. That's it. I am just listening.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will give you a question, both of you. Okay.
Yeah.
Like I'm watching too many podcasts, so all of my questions are like interview types. So my question is, like both of you, what is your image? Like I have spoken way too much, so what is your outlook on? I haven't shown my face, so on my personality and what type of person I am. Okay, that's the question. Both of you gets two chances to say.
Jubair bhai, you are fast right now. You
Actually,
have.
I did not understand the question.
Like what type of person or I am, like I have talked way too much, given way too many information, so in your eyes or in your mind, what type of person I am, that's the question.
Uh,
Should I
Actually,
repeat again?
from point of from my point of view, I actually did not judge anyone. Uh,
No, it's not about judgment. It's like uh, you know that she talks like this and I guess she's interested in this type of things, like an overview and summary about a person, that's it.
Shemanto bhai.
No,
Please go
you
on.
are not passing it to me again. You have to say something because the whole thing was arranged for your people to practice English. You have to say something, Joel bhai.
Actually, I say he's uh, more advanced from our generation. Maybe when we study in college or we don't care about this about information. He knows about the career path and the research paper. When should I go to abroad? This type of this type. Uh, but when I study in uh, college, we did not any research or any care anything. We just pass and go to university. Then I see lots of many things, and after graduate, I see and I learn more thing from university from finish university. But you are very mm, what should I say and well knowing, but and mm, you have to eager to know the every steps of what should I do, what it works, how it works, like this.
Okay, I think Jubair bhai is okay, and actually I agree with him. Yes, you are actually doing a good work to actually searching and researching yourself out what to do into next. And even when I was in your age, uh, I didn't have any Facebook account or anything. I didn't have any internet access or anything, and I didn't know anything. So university research paper is far ahead. I don't have any experience. Search through it, and if you look for, there is a saying that if you look for God, you will find, even you can find the God. So if you are searching for your answer, which department to study in or anything, if you have enough patience in yourself, you will find the good thing in your life. So whole experiences you are doing good, don't worry, and your English is really pretty well, I say, in your stage. So
Yeah,
don't worry.
Shimanto bhai,
Yeah,
uh, can I stop you?
yeah,
Yeah, I
of course,
noticed
of
that
course.
her English speaking is pretty and so much good.
Yeah.
But still, he joined this session. I didn't understand.
No, it's not. It's the session. The point of the session was never that you don't know English and you have to, then you have to join it. Anyone can join English, join here and talk for 1 hour just in English, just to practice,
Actually,
right?
actually, my point was his. She's actually speaking good,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
But still, he's joined.
yeah.
I don't know. So many peoples are speaking good, but he or she think I'm okay. I don't need to
Not to
join this
practice it.
session.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
Someone
it.
does. Okay, Raisa, I think I have 3 minutes left. I have to wrap it everything up. So, what do you think? What was the session? Now it's your time to give us an in the ratings. What do you think? What was the whole session? Did you enjoy it, or did you feel bored or anything?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm very impressed about this session. And like you said, I'm not actually that much a smooth talker. My conversation is like a meter level, like as you see, as you can listen, as you can listen, my voice is like I stop way too much, and my communication is the problem. Like way too things happen in the head, but when it comes to talking, I just stop it. Like it stucks.
It
So
sucks.
that's why. And today's session was best. You guys are like the best talker I could find, and I'm so much impressed about your minds, the way you talk about stuff, and I'm really grateful that I signed up for this. That's it.
Oh, thank you, thank you. And one more question, and that is the question of the year. Will you join our next sessions if you can join, if you have time?
Yeah, of course. I'm actually eager. Was hoping maybe this session could have been a bit longer.
Yeah.
I would have enjoyed, but still, it's way too late. And thanks for having me.
Thank you, thank you. So we are arranging this kind of session every night from 10:30 to 11:30 p.m. So anyone can join, even if even if you doesn't have to join at the first, you can join in the midterm whenever time you can get. So I have 2 minutes left. I have to wrap things up. So thank you, Raiza. Thank you, Jubair bhai. Jubair bhai, you are the actually I was hoping that you will join. Thank you for joining and talking with me for this time and making this successful. I will try to arrange this kind of meeting every night and hope to see you again in the next sessions. Uh,
Okay, hello. Cutting you off. What is the YouTube channel you're gonna post it?
Follow the WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp, you will find everything in the WhatsApp channel. I will share this recording, today's recording, and into
Okay.
YouTube link there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye, Raiza. Goodbye, Jubair bhai. See you
Okay,
again.
Allah Hafiz.
Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, Raiza.
See you again
See you
tomorrow.
again tomorrow. Peace.
Okay.
Goodbye.